Alright folks, it is time for another unbagging, unboxing show. This time with the Lego Minifigures Looney Tunes edition. So, picked this up, lost it, and I have no clue what's in here. Let's see if I can get a feel. No clue except that there is a bag within this bag. As always, press everything downwards so when you start cutting, you don't accidentally cut into anything. Today's figure is a tail, the Roadrunner. Almost cut into the tail, but I didn't, so yeah. Now, if you're just opening up a bag with normal scissors, yeah, there are some thin pieces in here. Doesn't have to be fabric, could be rubber, and you still might cut through it. So be extra careful about cutting into the bag. Okay. Fun little figure. I got the Roadrunner. I always like the Roadrunner. Favorite color is blue, so natural fit. Here we got bird torso. One of the rarest torsos, because in that whether it's front or backwards, it's exactly the same. Yeah, those wings. Oh, forgot something. Made a big deal out of it. Don't forget the tail. And then the torso. Stand right there. Let's adjust the head. Roadrunner head. Looking good. With the Roadrunner tuft. And Roadrunner is on the way. Ah! Meep, meep. He's fast. Oh, that's a good looking figure. So far, he's my favorite of the Warner Brothers series of the Looney Tunes. Just love this little touches of the tuft and the tail. So, okay. Stand right over back here. Let the people admire you from a distance. So we look at the other pieces. We've got a bowl that you could fill with birdseed. So, yay. I believe this little red single studs, you can put this in the bowl or help the birdseeds stand up a little bit more. Like that. That there. Just like that, I think. So, anyway. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.